Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Vision of the Divine Cosmic Form. Chapter 11, Shloka 30 and 31. Devouring all worlds on every side, with your flaming mouths, you are licking in enjoyment your fierce rays, filling the whole world with radiance, are burning, O Vishnu.
Chapter 11, Shloka 30. Lelihyase grasamana samantat lokan samagran vadanairjvalantbihi tejobir apurya jagat samagram basastavogra pratapanti Vishnu.
Tell me who you are, so fierce in form. Salutations to you, O God Supreme. Have mercy. I desire to know you, the original being. I know not indeed your purpose.
Chapter 11, Shloka 31. Akyahi meko bhavan ugra rupo namostu te deva varaprasida vijñātum iccāmi bhavantam ādhyam nahi prajanami tava pravrittim.
Chapter 11, Shloka 30 and 31. In the last Shloka, we saw how death, as a play of time, becomes a stingless phenomenon. This is glorified in all its ferocious beauty. Arjuna sees that hosts of men and things of the world reach the mouth to perish therein, in the cosmic form. The hungry mouth is never tired, for the principle of destruction has a never-ending appetite. In this shloka, the implication of the concept of Trinity, the Creator, the Sustainer, and the Destroyer, is brought out. These distinct entities are working as a simultaneous process, like in a film. Though each frame is separate, it appears continuous when playing through a projector. Constructive destruction is the philosophy behind the continuity of existence observed everywhere. Arjuna thus sees the mighty resplendence of the totality form and is fearful. Shloka 31. Arjuna surrenders to the very feet of the Lord and wants to know who he is. Generally, you want to know the truth from the Lord, but Arjuna's mind is preoccupied with the challenge which he is facing, and hence he is not seeking the truth behind the vision. He is concerned with the outcome of the war. He is seeing the Kurus entering the mouth, something which he wants but is perplexed. So asks, tell me who you are, so fierce in form. I know not your purpose. Hence this question. Learn more in the next shloka in the next Video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.